Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating DTI version and making a backup. This prevents data loss. Next, prepare your eye textures at 1024 x 1024 PNG with an alpha channel so edges composite cleanly. Once saved, follow DTI's naming convention. Use sequential identifiers like I01. PNG to match the engine index. This ensures the importer maps correctly. Make sure file paths match the DTI import list, so the process finds assets immediately and avoids manual relinking later. Now configure the importer. Choose sRGB for color accuracy and disable automatic normal map conversion so eye shaders remain intact. You'll also set the pivot to the character's ocular center to keep alignment consistent during animations. Once done, enable mipmaps and choose a 2:1 compression to balance quality and memory use. That reduces shimmering at distance. Finally, run a quick import test with one eye texture, so you can iterate faster if alignment or shading looks off. To finish, assign the imported textures to the eye material and verify shader inputs such as iris mask, gloss map, and specular intensity. This controls reflections and wetness. Then play the animation and inspect eye joints and blend shape-driven deformations to ensure no clipping or texture swimming. If you encounter halos or edge artifacts, re-export the PNG using premultiplied alpha and re-import. That usually fixes blending issues. If colors shift, confirm the engine isn't applying a secondary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.